Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be retwisting my client's micro locks. This is her first time getting locks and she's decided to go the micro lock way. And this is month 2 for her. So stay tuned because I'm going to be taking y'all on every bit of her journey. I went in and I shampooed her hair twice and conditioned it once with this Suave Keratin Infusion shampoo and conditioner. I love this conditioner and shampoo for all of my lock clients because it softens the hair very well. And as you can see, the ends of her hair is very curly, and that's exactly what you want to see after you wash your micro locks. Now I'm just sectioning off her hair and I'm beginning to twist the first row of her hair, and that is my very own restoration loc oil that I'm using, and I use it in that small little bottle just for my own personal use. I do retail this in 4-ounce bottles. My Shopify website will be up shortly, but yes, so this first row I have to finger twirl her locks because it's too short for me to palm roll. So it's okay to finger twirl the locks if it's too short, and if your locks are long, you want to go in and palm roll. Now, normally when people are doing micro locks, they start off with the interlocking method. I do not use the interlocking method at all. And I repeat, I do not use the interlocking method at all because it's very damaging. If I've seen clients that have had, their hair was thinning due to interlocking and it was breaking and locks were snapping, and it's just too much going on in that scalp area with interlocking. Now, it may work for other people, but for me as a loctician, I do not do the interlocking method at all because I am all for healthy hair. So as you can see right here, I am palm rolling her hair now. So her micro locks will be palm rolled and not interlocked. So if you can see right here, some of her locks started to lock together, they were tangled. And if that happens to your locks, whether it's in the infant stage or the mature stage, it is totally fine. Locks tend to do that, so don't panic. Just gently, separate it and you'll be fine. You want to make sure you have very nice and neat, clean partings. So I do go in with a water bottle as I'm retwisting micro locks because they can continue to, not continue, but they will tend to dry out as you're twisting because there's so many of them. So if you see that your locks are drying out before you get to the top of your hair or before you're finished, just go in with a water bottle and resaturate them with water. So now to keep her ends curly, I like to go in with mousse and just apply some mousse on her ends just to keep her ends nice and curly. And you'll see me do that as I work my way through her hair. Again, I felt like her hair was a little too dry, so I just saturated it with water because I do not like retwisting hair when it's dry. And pro tip, I use single prong clips only to secure the locks down. Please do not use the double prong clips because the double prong clips, it's two of those teeth on one clip. And if you're pushing them through the locks, it's going to cause breakage. So you only need one prong, these single prong clips, and you will be straight. So you just simply repeat the process. And I sat her under the dryer for an hour and a half because she does have a lot of micro locks. I didn't count them, but one day I am going to count them. But this is how everything came out. And again, trust the process, trust your journey. The locks is going to be going through a lot of phases and stages. So just stay patient with yourself, stay patient with your lock journey. And yeah, this is month 2, guys. Thanks for watching.